Hi everyone, my name is Catherine and it's great to meet you. Today I'm going to be explaining a super fun team building game that you can play with either a small group or a large group. This game is called Signs. Team building games are fun and engaging. Not only that, but games like Signs are a super helpful way to memorize the names of new employees with no pressure. Our team likes to play games and have fun together during our lunch break. Team building games that make us laugh are our favorites. Anytime you can get together as a team and play a game, you create memories with one another. To get you started, we're going to give you a free resource with tips on how to engage a crowd of any size. So stay tuned till the end and I'll make sure that you get it. Alright, let's dive into how to play and lead the game Signs. Signs is a simple game to explain, but it's easiest to explain when you observe it being played. So we have a few team members here who are going to be my demonstrators. All you need are some friends or co-workers and your hands. No props are needed. The first step is to get everyone that is playing to stand or sit in a circle. Everyone needs to have a pretty good view of the other players. Everyone that is playing needs to choose a sign for themselves. This could be a thumbs up, you could stick your tongue out, or maybe even your sign is the dab. Go around the room and share your name and your chosen sign. Nobody can have the same sign. Try and memorize people's signs and names. This is really important. If you have to go around the circle to introduce your sign more than once, that's okay. One person will be standing in the middle of the circle, and the object of the game is to not get caught by the person in the middle. One person will be designated to start with their sign. Imagine that having the sign is like passing around an invisible ball. Have the person in the middle close their eyes and count to 10. By that time, the sign should be sent around the room a couple times so that the person who started with the sign first no longer has it. When the person in the middle finishes counting to 10, then they should open their eyes and they're trying to catch whoever has the sign. You will send the sign by first signaling that you currently have the invisible ball by showing your sign. If my sign is the peace sign, I will first do my peace sign, and then I will send the invisible ball to another member in the circle by putting up their sign. So first, I'll quickly display my sign, and then at a convenient time, I will display their sign. Now the key is that I still possess the invisible ball until the person who I sent the sign to accepts it. That means they must do their sign to receive the invisible ball. Remember, the object of the game is to not get caught by the person in the middle. Everyone has to be attentive and paying attention so they know who has the invisible ball. If you sent the ball to someone and they did not receive it quick enough, or you're not sure if they saw it, you can't send the sign to somebody else. This causes confusion. Continue to quickly signal their sign when the person in the middle is not looking until they receive it. The best way to ensure that they receive your sign is to be making eye contact. Now, the person in the middle is turning around, trying to observe subtle motions and body language in order to decipher who has the invisible ball. The trick is, the person in the middle has to call the person out by name if they know that they have the invisible ball. Try to send and receive the ball quickly to trick the player in the middle. If they catch you, then you're in the middle and they have to take your spot in the game with their own sign. Then it starts all over again. You can play for as long as you like, but watch out, because you'll get hooked and you may want to play for hours. We hope you have just as much fun playing this game as we do. It becomes a crowd favorite easily. If you like this game, let us know. Go ahead and hit the like button below. If you have any questions or need clarification, let us know in the comments. Be sure to also check out our Icebreaker Games playlist for more great games and inspiration to help make team building a success. Also, I mentioned a free resource earlier. We've created a list of 5 icebreaker keys to think through and use at your next event or group gathering. This resource is designed to help you take these icebreakers to the next level and keep your audience engaged. You can download this free guide by using the link in the description below. As always, please subscribe to our channel for more content like this. You can also click the bell icon to be notified when we post new and exciting games. Also, check out our website here for more information on team building and icebreaker games. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have so much fun playing and leading the game Signs.